Sorry guys, I got a phone call and it kicked me off my video. But we're gonna pick up from here. We're on number 4. And the neat thing about this, number 4 tells us to turn to the back of the book and read the poem, The Red Wheelbarrow by William Carlos Williams. This is a really neat thing about the book. It's gonna have us going back and forth often, and we're gonna read actual poems written by authors in real life in which Jack is rewording and writing his own based on their poems. And so let's go to the back of the book, and you're going to find the section that says some of the poems used by Miss Stretchberry. And we're going to read the first poem that's listed. And it says The Red Wheelbarrow by William Carlos Williams. So much depends upon a red wheelbarrow glazed with rain, glazed with rainwater beside the white chickens. Okay? I want you to draw a picture. You can reread this on your own, and I want you to draw a picture of what you visualize or see in your mind as you read this poem by Williams. Look for clue words that show imagery or help you paint a picture. So turn to the back of your book, read that poem again, and answer that question. Number 5, what does anonymous mean? Have you ever heard that word before? Write the definition down for me. Number 6, identify the reason why Jack didn't want his name on his poems. Why do you think he didn't want his name there? Number 7, describe a time you didn't want to share something you created or wrote. Why did you want it to remain anonymous? There's that word again. And number 8, turn to the back of the book and read the poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. He's one of my favorite poets. Now reread Jack's journal entry for October 17th. What does Jack not understand about his poem? So I'm going to read this poem for you, and then you can go back to October 17th and answer the question, what does Jack not understand about this poem? Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake, and only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downing flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. You can reread that on your own and then go back to his journal entry of October 17th and answer the question on number 8. There is one more question at the bottom of the page. It's number 9, and it says, do you think poetry is easy to understand? Why or why not? Give me your thoughts. And tomorrow we'll pick up on page 4. That's all for reading today. I hope you've enjoyed the beginning of Love That Dog.